It turns out that tea tree oil is a natural ingredient that has been scientifically proven to help treat all kinds of acne. Follow these steps for safe dilution and application. Step number 1. Combine 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil with 12 drops of a carrier oil. It works well with non-comedogenic carrier oils. Be careful using any additional oils on your face. Step number 2. Before applying diluted tea tree oil to your face, do a small patch test on the inside of your elbow. Signs of skin sensitivity or an allergic reaction include itchiness, redness, swelling, and burning. Step number 3. Before applying the oil, wash your face with a gentle cleanser for acne-prone skin, and pat it dry. Step number 4. Gently apply diluted tea tree oil by dabbing it on your blemishes with a cotton round or pad. Step number 5. Allow to dry. Follow up with your usual moisturizer. Repeat this process 2 times a day. So, how often should it be used? Once you've done a patch test and know it's safe to use diluted tea tree oil on your skin, you can apply the oil to the affected area twice a day as part of your morning and evening skincare routine. Tree oil is generally safe to use on the skin, however, it's not safe to swallow it. Ingesting it can cause serious symptoms, including confusion and ataxia. Ataxia is a loss of muscle coordination. Also be careful not to get tea tree oil in your eyes, as it can cause redness and irritation. If tea tree oil is correctly diluted, most people can use it on their skin without any serious problems. However, some people may develop an allergic skin reaction or skin irritation on the area where the oil was used. That's why it's important to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before using diluted tea tree oil on your face. Make sure you stop using the oil right away if you notice any itching, redness, swelling and irritation. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.